Hey everyone, so before this video gets started, if you're an Uber driver or a Lyft driver or a gig worker and you want to get guaranteed pay every single time you go out and drive, there's this new app called Solo, and when you use the link below to sign up, they're actually just going to give you $10 simply for trying out the app, totally for free, anywhere in the country. It's free to sign up, and you can get access to mileage tracking, expense tracking, help with your taxes. This awesome app Solo, you can download it right now, get 10 bucks, and again, get access to guaranteed pay. Let's get started with the video. Lyft is raising rates for drivers. Look at this, guys. Lyft is giving weekly bonuses to some EV drivers.
Oh, that's good.
This is part of their plan, guys, to get all of you all to switch over to use electric vehicles.
Yeah.
It's happening, guys. It's happening.
Yeah, everyone wants to start migrating over and basically so we start ruling out all the regular gas vehicles.
Yeah.
So there's only electric vehicles left.
You want to read this?
Yeah, so Lyft is offering new incentive schemes for its drivers to switch to EVs. The move comes 2.5 years after the company announced plans to transition its fleet to electric by 2030 fully.
That's only 7 years away.
Oh, yeah, that's less than a decade away.
Because it's almost 2023. 16 days. We got 2 weeks left.
Isn't Uber trying to be fully electric by 2030 too?
Yeah, both of them. And California, too.
Oh, wow.
What's your New Year's resolution?
What?
What's your New Year's resolution?
I don't have any.
Good job.
What's yours?
I'm gonna start carrying less. You know, this is the year. You know, usually people say, "Oh, I'm gonna start going to the gym, getting in better shape." No, for me, this is my year of body positivity. I'm gonna eat all the donuts I want. I'm gonna eat all the sweets, all the candies I want. I'm just watching Netflix all day.
I mean, yeah, might as well do that while you're young and you still have a decent metabolism, because you'll get to a point where
you can't do that anymore.
Doing that, you're gonna get serious health problems.
Actually, lately I've been eating a lot of donuts. I'm not gonna lie, guys. Not gonna lie. Probably tell, but yeah. Donuts and cookies. Oh, I made Christmas cookies the other day. Highly recommend.
That sounds good.
So let's look at the bonuses.
Yeah.
When you edit the video, do you include all this in between chat?
Yeah. You want me to cut that out?
No, I think it's funny.
Oh.
So look at this. On Monday, Lyft announced several new schemes to incentivize its driver to switch to EVs. To start, there's new earnings incentives for electric car drivers in California who are now eligible to get a $150 bonus every week for only giving 50 rides. That's honestly not even that many rides.
Yeah.
So the offer applies to all drivers who register their personal EVs on Lyft and will remain in place until the end of the 2024. The payout, however, has an $8,000 cap. But I mean, still, $150 a week, that covers pretty much all of your charging costs.
Yeah.
So, and most electric vehicles like Teslas don't really have many operating expenses. Like, you're not doing oil changes in car and brake pad changes like normal cars do.
Yeah.
Because they have regenerative braking. So when you actually brake, you're actually generating more energy. So, I'm not gonna lie, guys. They are making it very tempting to sign up with an EV.
Yeah, EVs just aren't very affordable, I feel like.
Yeah. Okay, we are moving on to the next topic, which is, well, yeah, I mean, yeah, they cost a lot of money. Teslas cost 50 grand minimum, 40 grand minimum.
Even like the Ioniq 5, that's still like 40K.
Ioniq 5. 58,000, bro. Sheesh.
Yeah, that's a lot. Or like the i7, that one's probably like over 100K.
Yeah. You can get one of these super ugly cars. Chevy. No, I'm just kidding. I think my brother drives one of those.
Wait, does that only have 2 doors?
No, there's 4. There's 1, 2.
Oh, it looks like, I thought it was small. Like
yeah,
a
like
small
this
car.
one. Like there's 4 doors, but it's just small. Nissan Leaf. Mini Cooper. Chevy Bolt. I mean, 27 grand. Yeah, they're basically. I mean, they're coming down in price.
Mazdas are good cars, so that's cool they have an electric one now.
Basically, every car manufacturer is coming out. Well, this is a hybrid, but yeah. Does this apply to hybrids or no? Or just fully electric?
I think it's fully electric.
Yeah.